Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A80. Begin by launching Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then to set it up, tap on the same options in both. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window though, about new updates, tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OPPO. Also on an Android, use all of those categories at the top. Select multiple files to transfer and hit Send next to selected. I will go with only a couple of files though, just for example. Now select Got it and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!